Oh my gosh, and there's just sparkle all over the ground. I can't stop looking at it. Wear these shoes at your own discretion because you may look at them so much you trip. We take no responsibility. Alright. Hey guys, Nat here at She's of Hollywood once again. We're outside on this beautiful day, so if I'm squinting it's just because there's a bit of sun, but all good. It's worth it. Another unboxing. This is an absolutely amazing pair of shoes. They're incredible. These are an Adore 1018, and I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to pull them out because they are a little booty and they are crazy. Check that out in the sun, the sparkle. Oh my goodness. Wow, these are so pretty. They're just smothered in these like large little rhinestones and every inch of it. Just pulling out the padding. Okay. Wow, and of course it's got this beautiful chrome bottom on it as well. It is, oh, it's amazing. So pretty. So this is a 7-inch and it is just lost for words, really. Check that down there, and I'll pull out the other one. To the zip. So yeah, there's a good long zip on the side to help get your foot in, and there's also these like a tie at the back, so it's pretty fashionable. It's a very fashionable shoe. Oh, the sparkles are like stinging my eyes, they're so bright. Wow. I'm gonna put them on. I can't not put these on. Oops, so the back's actually a little bit too tight for me. I'm just gonna fix that up and redo the little tie. Try and make a bow. Yeah, that's close enough. Oh my goodness, wow. Let's do this one as well. Just, oh, there are sparkles all over the floor as well. It is everywhere. This is a showstopper shoe, 100%. So you could wear these, you could wear them to a wedding, I suppose, if you want to be some super glamorous bride. It would be crazy, it would be great. Or to a party, you would just steal the show, steal the whole night. So Shoes of Hollywood also sell these little gorgeous purses, and as you can see, it is just as sparkly. It is ridiculous. So you can get your whole outfit to match. Beautiful. I'm gonna go for a walk with my shoes and with my purse, and so cool. Wow. Sorry. Oh my goodness. I really like the open toe and the open heel as well. Like, you don't often get the boots with an open toe and a heel, but it's different and it's nice. Get the you get some airflow, which is good because sometimes boots can get a little bit stuffy, but this really helps out. Oh my gosh, and there's just sparkle all over the ground. I can't stop looking at it. Wear these shoes at your own discretion because you may look at them so much you trip. We take no responsibility. Alright. Wow. They're just so sparkly. amazing. Can you imagine wearing these to like a dance and there'll just be lights everywhere? It'll be crazy. And they'll reflect in the colours as well, so, oh, wow. Oh. So that's these ones. So you should definitely check out these shoes if you want them. Jump in and grab them because, I mean, I really don't think they're going to last too long otherwise. Incredible. So that's those. And the purse to match, so you need to get them together because they got to match. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, tell us what you think. Tell us if you love the sparkles. And hit subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. And we will see you for our next video.